like that.
A good website is Engu. You ever used Engu before?
No.
Okay, so we can take a look if you want. So let's have a look. So this website is really good for articles that come out each week.
Yes.
So you can choose an article. Let me zoom out a bit here. And you have a category here. You can choose any category. And basically, they will have vocabulary, the article, and then questions and a general discussion at the end. So let's just choose something here. Okay, 72-year-old Scotch whiskey. Okay, I'll just choose something at random. So as an example, so don't make these mistakes when writing work emails.
Vocabulary.
So this is the article. It's about 4 or 5 paragraphs long. And the words here are from the article. So we have tempting,
regret, regret, politely, urgent.
Yeah.
And then gossip, relieve.
Yeah, relieve. To reduce pain or an unpleasant feeling.
To reduce pain or unpleasant feeling, relieve.
So then, so then these words are in the... Sorry?
Relieve, verb form, and the noun form is relief.
Sorry, what was your question?
No, not any question. I just said that relief is a verb. Relief is a verb and relief is noun, R-E-L-I-E-F.
Okay. So these words are in the article. So it's a good way to practice new vocabulary. This one is a 6, which is an intermediate. You can choose different levels that go up to advanced to proficient. And then after the article, there is a discussion and then a further discussion at the end. So it's a good way to discuss the article, practice on your vocabulary. So would you like to try this?
Let's try.
Okay, I'll zoom in a bit for you.
So, I'm reading it first.
Yeah, go ahead.
So don't make these mistakes when writing work email. There's a lot of advice out there about how to write work emails. But what are some things you should never do? Send when you are angry. Even though it can be tempting, it's not often a good idea to send an email when you are angry with someone or something at work, or even when you are tired, hungry, or stressed. So taking a short break before typing will help you avoid saying anything you might regret later. Forget to say hello. Always start and end your email with a polite hello and goodbye. Even if you are sending a short message, the reader might think the email is rude if you don't greet them and end the message politely. Mark as urgent when it can wait. When you want an answer quickly, you might think making an email as urgent will get people to reply sooner. But making them as such too will make it hard for people to know which emails really are urgent. Another thing to consider is that what's urgent for you might not be urgent for your reader. Gossip during work. A 2019 study by Captivate found that 72% of people said they gossip about workplace issues and their co-workers while at the office. And while gossiping may not always be a bad thing, 44% of participants said it helped relieve work-related stress. It's best to keep it out of your emails.
That's good. So it says, how often do you have to write work emails?
So can I, from that passage, or I can say in my personal, like how often do you have to write work emails? I say that I have to write work emails sometimes, not very often.
Sure. Have you ever sent an angry email?
Not at all.
When was the last time you received a rude email?
Just a couple of days ago.
And do your colleagues often gossip at work?
Yeah, often. My colleagues and also I am also sometimes we indulge in gossiping.
Sure.
So can I ask something here? So you say often or often?
Often, yeah, often.
So I always pronounce it often. So it is wrong then. Often.
Yeah, I think a lot of people will just say it, very cavalier. They'll say often. But, the correct pronunciation would be often.
Often. Earlier I thought often is the pronunciation of British English and often is American pronunciation.
Oh.
So I choose to say, I thought that. Maybe I'm wrong. I certainly am
It
wrong.
could be. I'm actually not too sure if it's an American pronunciation. I'd have to check that myself, actually.
Okay. So
Yeah.
then,
Do you ever check work email outside of office hours?
yeah. Sometimes I did that, and because emails keep coming, and sometimes after my office work. So that's why I check all the time. Whenever the notification blip that light comes up, at that time I have to check it out whether it's work email or something like that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's good. Which of your coworkers do you get along with best?
Yeah. One of my coworkers, he's also my actually we say as a colleague, my colleague. He's get along with me very much, and he's just my friend actually. And we have the same kind of thought processes.
Same mentality.
That's why we same mentality. So that's why we get along with each other very positive.
That's good. How has your workplace changed since you started there?
See, people are coming and going. The workers, that means that my colleagues, some colleagues had been retired, and some colleagues, the new colleagues, my new workers, they come with their fresh perspective, fresh energy, fresh knowledge. So my atmosphere of my workplace has been changing all the time. It is very dynamic, not static. And I'm also evolving. By the time passes, and I also evolve. My work style has been changing.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, that's good. What do you find most annoying about your workplace?
Sometimes the load of pressure, sometimes the load of work, and another is that sometimes to speak behind your back. You have heard something that your workers said something about you, but he didn't or she didn't speak against you, means on your face. So that sometimes hurt. Otherwise, just okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's annoying. What would be your dream job?
No, this is my dream job. Actually, my promotion, I want to get to another level. From I want to fix in my job, but I want to get a promotion and go to another level. That's it. But this is
What do you do?
I'm
Oh,
a
yeah.
teacher.
What do you teach?
Yeah, yeah. I teach
Oh,
English.
okay. Really?
My subject English.
Okay. So,
And I've been teaching since 2010. That's why maybe a decade I have that experience.
so what brings you to Cambly?
About to get fluency actually. Because I teach the students who are the first general learners, and they come from very humble background. And we teach the students in Bengali medium. Bengali is another language, my mother tongue. So that's why all the time I don't have that the same kind of students or the same kind of environment to polish my English or to that I choose to Cambly speak with the native speakers, and I want to learn and to enrich myself so that I want to polish my skills.
Yeah, sure.
That's it.
Do you have an opportunity to speak to anyone English outside of Cambly?
Sometimes whenever I travel and whenever I got I found some foreigners, I wanted to speak with them. Sometimes I just went and just said to them hi, hello, hi. But the foreigners they also sometimes thought about me that maybe I have some I'm not they are foreigners. So sometimes they thought that why that person wanted to speak with me. So but sometimes I but then I cleared their doubts that I'm not a very bad guy or I'm just speaking with them. I told them my country. I told them my. So then they get along with it. Get along with them, and had a conversation. I have some that kind of experience. I have got that kind of experience.
Sure. A professional is someone who can do his best work when he doesn't feel like it. Alistair Cook. What do you make of this statement?
See, that statement indicates that statement signifies that professional, that person we can call him professional, if he or she does his or her work, even if he or she doesn't like some I am a teacher, but in a given certain day I don't like to teach the students, but that day I have that duty to teach them. So that I thought that okay, I'm a professional teacher, so I should get there and I did my job. Just like cricket. I told you that one of my best role model Virat Kohli. I heard that Virat Kohli's father passed away at that night, and then Virat Kohli went that morning to the match and he did his scores. Got actually I got maybe
Okay.
second.
Right. Take care.
So thank you very much.